me show you what I got. This beat is so hot. Oh my god.
Is that bullshit?
I think not.
Looking unapproachable starts from the eyes, so I'm going to start off by changing the color of my eyes with these lenses.
This beat is so hot.
I mean, look at this. This is the comparison. This is how I look with the lenses on. Even though I'm smiling, I look unapproachable and terrifying, while without the lenses, I look so gullible. And next step is getting a clean base, so I'm going to achieve this with these two foundations. I mix the Wet n Wild foundation with the Max Factor foundation to get a color that's closest to my skin tone. However, it's still too light, so I will be going on with the Max Factor over this.
Let me show you what I got.
Then bringing the color down using the Max Factor foundation.
This beat is so hot. Oh my god.
Is that bullshit?
And once my entire face area is covered with the foundation, I'm gonna be moving on to the concealer.
This beat is so hot.
For the concealer, I'm using my favorite concealer from Swiss Beauty. I'm just taking a tiny bit onto my hands, and then I'm gonna use this to highlight my face. I love this concealer because it helps me match my base makeup to my actual undertone. I'm gonna let my concealer sit while I do my eyebrows now. For the eyebrows, you need to look as terrifying as possible, so do a arched eyebrow.
Oh shit, man.
Oh my god.
We do a arch that's gonna say, "Don't you dare mess with me, girl, don't you dare."
This beat is so hot. Oh my god.
Is that bullshit?
I think not.
And now that the brows are done, I'm blending out the concealer that I applied. And for this, I'm using a flat brush.
Hey yo, who made it?
I think not.
And while blending out the concealer, I'm also taking the concealer shade throughout my face because it has a yellow undertone. And I'm setting my face with a compact. Again, for the compact, I'm using a fluffy brush and not the applicator because using a fluffy brush is gonna give me a really natural look.
Oh my god. Let me show you what I got. This beat is so hot.
And next, I'm highlighting my under eyes with a lighter shade compact.
Oh my god.
Is that bullshit?
This is going to ensure that you have a really snatched looking cheekbones. I'm also highlighting a little bit of my eyes too. And since my base makeup doesn't actually match to my undertone, I'm using a yellow eyeshadow to bring back the color into my face. Again, be sure to use a really big fluffy brush and apply as little as possible and build it up. And now for the contour, you want to keep it as snatched as possible. So I'm trying to create a fake cheekbone structure.
Oh shit, man.
Oh my god.
I'm really concentrating the product on my fake cheekbone. Also my forehead.
Oh my god.
Is that bullshit?
I think not.
Also, you want to have a snatched looking jaw, so don't forget that too.
This beat is so hot.
And with a smaller fluffy brush, be sure to contour the nose.
I think not.
I'm adding a bit of product to the eyebrow area, so it gives the illusion of having a smaller nose. Now for the eyeshadow, applying a beige shade throughout my eye. This is going to be the color that brings everything together.
Let me show you.
Next, I'm using a slightly brown shade to add dimension to my flat eyes. For this look, you want your eyes to be as snatched as possible. So if you have hooded eyes like mine, you want to make sure that you add the eyeshadow in an upward angle.
Let me show you what I got.
And blend the eyeshadow out towards the temple.
This so hard.
Hey, yo, who made it?
I think
Next, I'm going to add a bit more color to my eyes with this red shade. This is like a cinnamon shade, so I'm just adding it to the outer ends and I'm just slightly bringing it towards my inner corners. And if you don't have any flat brush, this is one simple trick. You can use your fluffy brush, pinch the bristles together and make it flat.
Oh, shit, man.
oh my
Next, I'm using my compact to highlight the inner corners of my eyes. I'm also using this as a diffuser shade that's going to blend the harsh lines of my eyeshadows out, so it looks smooth and natural. Not natural, smooth and really blended.
Is that bullshit?
I think not.
Next, I'm adding this dark eyeshadow at the outer ends to give me more depth and dimension.
This so hard.
Hey, yo, who made it?
I think not.
So, we move on to the liner. You want to make sure that you draw a really snatched wing eyeliner. Whatever liner I draw is going to get hidden under my hood. So I'm trying to do my regular wing eyeliner, but I'm still extending the liner out to get that dramatic effect.
Oh, shit, man.
Oh my god. Let me show you what I got. This so hard.
And don't forget to underline your upper waterline with some kajal. This is just going to add to your eyes.
Let me show you what I got. This so hard.
Hey, yo, who made it?
I think not. Oh my god.
Next up is mascara. You want to make sure to coat all your lashes evenly and make them as long as possible with mascara. Take your time doing the steps and you can also use 2 to 3 coats of mascara.
Oh, shit, man.
Oh my
Since I will be wearing fake lashes, I'm just going with 1 coat of mascara.
god.
Also, that's not going to be any fake lash tutorial because I forgot to film it.
Hard. Oh my god.
And this is the unapproachable eye look. I mean, look how terrifying and unapproachable I look.
Let me show you.
And for this look, I'm applying the blush to the higher end of my cheekbones and I'm also bringing it toward my temple.
Hey, yo, who made it?
I think not. Oh my god.
Also, I'm applying it to my temples. I'm going to line my lips with a lip liner first.
Oh, shit, man.
Oh my god. Let me show you what I got. This so hard. Oh my god.
Is that bullshit?
I think not. Let me show you what I got.
Moving on to the first lipstick shade. This is going to be my beige shade. I'm just applying the lipstick throughout my lips and I'm blending it out using my fingers.
Oh my god.
And to add a bit of depth to the lips, I'm using this nude shade from Zayn and Maisa. I'm just adding it to the middle portions of my lip.
Shit, man.
Oh my god. Let me show you what I got. This beat is so hot.
And that's the finished look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you know the drill. Like, comment and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time.
Let me show you